Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to create a group chat on Facebook Messenger. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First things first, open up Facebook Messenger on your device. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice a Create button there, which looks like a square with a pencil icon inside it. Go ahead and click on this button to start setting up your new group conversation. After clicking the Create button, a menu will appear with different options. From this menu, select Group Chat. This option is specifically designed for creating conversations with multiple people at once, making it perfect for organizing team discussions, planning events with friends, or keeping in touch with family members all in one place. Now you'll be taken to the group creation screen. The first thing you'll see is a field asking for a group name. Click on this field and type in a name that represents your group. This could be something like family updates, weekend plans, or project team, whatever makes sense for the people you're adding and the purpose of the chat. Having a clear group name helps everyone identify the conversation quickly in their messenger list. Next, you'll need to add members to your group. Look for the field where you can type names. Start typing the name of the first person you want to add to the group. As you type, Messenger will show you matching contacts from your friends list. Click on the person you want to add, then repeat this process for each additional member you want to include. You can add as many people as you like to the group, so don't hesitate to include everyone who needs to be part of the conversation. Once you've added all your desired members, click the Create button to finalize your group chat. And just like that, your group chat is now created and ready to use. You'll be taken directly to the conversation screen where you can start communicating with everyone. Simply click on the message field at the bottom of the screen and type whatever message you want to share with the group. This could be your first greeting, an announcement, or anything else you need to communicate. After you've typed your message, click the send icon to deliver it to all group members. The send icon typically looks like a paper plane or arrow pointing to the right. Everyone in the group will receive your message instantly and can start responding. And that's it. You've successfully created a group chat on Facebook Messenger and sent your first message. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.